In a bid to preserve and promote local languages amid growing technological advancements, the Meghalaya government has signed a Memorandum of Understanding MOU with the Digital India Bhashini division under the Ministry of Electronics and IT. The MOU aims to integrate Khasi and Garo languages into the Bhashini digital platform. The signing ceremony took place in the presence of Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and Arts and Culture Minister Paul Lyngdoh, along with representatives from the Khasi and Archik literature societies. Bhashini is a flagship initiative under the Digital India program designed to make Indian languages accessible through digital tools and artificial intelligence. With Khasi and Garo becoming part of this platform, Meghalaya joins the list of states contributing indigenous languages to India's digital ecosystem. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma highlighted the transformative role of AI or artificial intelligence in enabling multilingual communication and said the initiative would impact governance, tourism, education, health, and employment. He emphasized the potential of technology in reshaping public interaction and promoting inclusive development. As part of the rollout, a state language mission has been formed under Chief Secretary of the State D.P. Walang to oversee implementation and ensure smooth integration. The mission will focus on the development of the languages digitally, including script-specific features. The MOU was signed by Amitabh Nag, the CEO of Digital India Bhashini, and Praveen Bakshi, the Commissioner and Secretary of the IT Department, Government of Meghalaya.
I think that's really key to what you're doing. It's about the difference that you'll make in people's lives is going to be huge. So I really once again congratulate you, and I assure you that we as a government, as a departments, will work closely with you to make this from, let's say, 70% that we have today. We will do our best to make it into 100% so that there is seamless translation that takes place. At the same time, as I said, the incorporation of details that are there for our languages, the different alphabets that are there, all these aspects, hopefully, we'll be able to integrate them soon so that we don't dilute the overall, the language and the richness that we have in our culture should not be diluted while technology is used to help us translate and achieve better services and better opportunities in the future.
With these ancient languages of Meghalaya, Khasi, which is the only surviving Austro-Asiatic language in the country, originating from the Khmer root, and Garo, which belongs to the Tibeto-Burman origin. And yes, to complement what TP has just said, when you look at Bhashini, there is also Shini Baba, Shini Basniyo, good sugar and bad sugar. Good sugar, which is natural sugar, and bad sugar, which is processed food. So I'm sure which one the state of Meghalaya would opt for, and why we are here partnering with Bhashini Rajam in the persona of Mr. Amitabh Nag.